Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's introduce my team. My name is Felia Patmaka Amsali Maria.
My name is Tiana Mu'alifah Fazira.
My name is Anjuni Azari. My name is Nurkhalifa Minyastuti.
We are from 12th grade of Accounting 2. In here, we will present a report on fieldwork practice at PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati. So, let's enjoy this video.
Preface. Praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for all guidance and grace so that author can carry out the fieldwork practice which took place at PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati Tegal for 2 months well. The author would like to thank all those who have helped guide and provide support to the author in the implementation of this fieldwork practice, including 1. Dear Mr. Thomas as Chairman of PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati Tegal. 2. Dear Mr. Dr. Andes Suparman as the Principal of Vocational School 1 Dukuturi. 3. Dear Mrs. Ratna as Advisor at PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati Tegal. 4. All employees of PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati Tegal who have helped us implement street vendors. 5. Dear Mrs. Triwahyati as teacher accounting and finance expertise. 6. Dear Mrs. Dokrandha Daliati as the predecessor. 7. The parties that the author cannot mention one by one who have helped the author. The author has tried to compile this report optionally, but the author realized that this report is far from perfect. Therefore, constructive praise and suggestions are expected for future development. The author hopes that this report will be used. Chapter 1. Introduction. A. Background of the industry fieldwork practice. Fieldwork practice are from academic learning activities for students to improve and develop the abilities of a quality workplace. With this fieldwork practice activity, it is hoped that it can improve student skills. B. Purpose of practice. 1. Purpose of practical fieldwork for students. Expanding students' knowledge in the world of work. 2. Purpose fieldwork practice for school. Train and hone the skill studied in the world of work. Purpose fieldwork practice for agencies. Increase the efficiency of time and energy in education and training a qualified workforce.
C. Benefits of fieldwork practice. 1. Benefits of fieldwork for students is to add insight into information of knowledge. 2. Benefits of fieldwork for school is school can invite students to study directly in the field. 3. Benefits of fieldwork for agency is introducing a brief history of the company to students. 3. Time and place of fieldwork practice. 1. Time of implement of fieldwork practice held on 4 February 2020 to 60 April 2020. Fieldwork practice should be carried out from 4 February 2020 to 4 May 2020 or for 3 months. However, due to
the COVID-19 virus pandemic obstacles, the implementation of fieldwork practice was withdrawn on 60 April 2020. To less of implementation of fieldwork practice was carried out PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati Tegal with the following condition: A. Working days and horse days, Monday to Saturday. Time 7 o'clock to 60 o'clock. B. Presence. Every fieldwork practice student is obligated to fill in the absence every day, and if the fieldwork practice student is not present, they must give news to the fieldwork practice supervisor. Uniform. In implementation, different doors students wear uniform in according with school uniform with provisions Monday to Tuesday using the complete student concealed uniforms. Wednesday to Thursday wearing executive uniform. Friday and to Saturday wearing a brown batik uniform. Chapter 2 General Review. A. Company History. Nagamas has been operated since 1772 in Klaten. Nagamas Motor Tegal is a member of the largest and most trusted Honda retail chain dealer. Nagamas Motor has its head office at A.R. Hakim Street, number 46, with 7 branches, namely Brebes, Bumiayu, Tarup, Kersana, Slawi, apart from Tegal Nagamas. It also has many branch offices in Indonesia.
Activities of PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati Tegal. 1. Sales of Honda motorcycle. 2. Profession of Honda motorbike. 3. Honda motorbike distribution. 4. Repair and maintenance of Honda motorcycle. Chapter 3. Job training implementation. Activities carried out at street vendors. The implementation of fieldwork practice at Nagamas Mitra Sejati starts from 4 February 2020 to 16 April 2020. At beginning of entering the fieldwork practice before being given a predetermined segment, the practitioner was introduced to employees in the head office administration section. Tasks carried out by the practitioner during the fieldwork practice activities are as follows. 1. Record and correct invoice. 2. Indent the order. 3. Sorting and filling PKK, PKM, and sales notes for correction of BPKB. 5. Record sales book. 6. Recording BPKB handover receipt. 7. Filling receipt of BPKB. 8. Sorting sales book. 9. Recording vehicle hardcover proof. Suitable of field work practice between theory and practice. 1. Koreksi PTKS notes. 2. Correction PKK and PKM. 3. Scrutinizing tax invoice. 4. Archiving company documents. 5. Record sale invoice. 6. Correction to the sale book. 7. Record inventory on the inventory card. Observing result. 1. The occurrence of miscommunication. B. Lack of employee discipline in terms of attendance. Problem solving. To face to obstacle experience in field work practice activities, students use several ways to overcome this obstacle, including the following. 1. The occurrence of miscommunication. The way to overcome this is by approaching one employee to another and exchange ID during break or outside work hours, or by giving direction according to what the student understands. 2. Lack of employee discipline in terms of attendance. How to overcome disciplinary problem regarding attendance or being late, namely that the company shall give a sanction warning to employees who do not obey the rules of discipline so that employees can obey all regulations in the of attendance. Capture for closing a conclusion. Practitioner carry out street vendor for a month and a half at PT Nagamas Mitra Sejati, AR Hakim Street, number 49, Randu Kunting, South Tegal, District Tegal City, implementing field work practice at the head office. Practice carried out practical field work for 1 month and a half starting for February 4, 2020 to 50 March 2020. Practical fieldwork is an activity in which students apply all the knowledge they have learned in the lesson so that students enter the real world of work. Students can get to know the world of work better first. The suggestion for the company: 1. Increase discipline in matter of employee attendance. B. Infrastructure is more renewed if there is one infrastructure that is not suitable for use. C. Frequent good communication between one employee and another. For the practitioner, 1. The practitioner should be more prepared before entering the world of work, both in terms of mental ability and others. B. We have to further expand the knowledge needed later in the world of work. C. The practitioner is required to adjust to the field work practice. 4. Vocational Wandukuturi. Vocational Wandukuturi should collaborate with various companies that have high credibility and responsibility so that when students carry out street vendors, they gain experience and knowledge in accordance with the output of vocational Wandukuturi. It is hoped that there will be special training before carrying out the field work practice so that students know what is needed in the world of work.
Thank you for watching.
See
See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi